Welcome to your self-love affirmation recording. Please find a comfortable position and then softly close down your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly sigh it out through the mouth. Twice more, just like that. Deep breath in and sigh it out. Last time. Inhale. And out through the mouth. After each affirmation, I'd really love it if you repeated it silently to yourself. I am worthy of love and respect no matter what I've been through. I am enough just as I am. I don't need to be perfect to be loved. I am capable and strong, and I can overcome any challenge that comes my way. I am grateful for my body and its abilities. It is a gift. I am worthy of happiness and fulfillment. I deserve to live a joyful life. I release any negative thoughts about myself. I choose to focus on the positive. I choose to love myself unconditionally, flaws and all. I am surrounded by love and support. I am not alone. I am worthy of my dreams and aspirations, and I have the power to achieve them. I am deserving of kindness and compassion. I treat myself with the same love and care I give to others. I am releasing any feelings of self-doubt. I believe in myself. I am worthy of success and abundance in all areas of my life. I am letting go of any negative beliefs about myself. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am releasing any feelings of shame or guilt. I forgive myself. I am choosing to focus on my strengths and celebrate my accomplishments. I am worthy of peace and tranquility. I am letting go of stress and anxiety. I am grateful for my journey and the lessons I've learned along the way. I am choosing to love myself more each day. I am worthy of my own love and affection. Just take a few moments to savor these affirmations and just really let them sink into your heart and your mind. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Thank you for joining me today.